Getting salon-quality nails used to demand hours of your valuable time. Now, perfection is available on demand. Welcome to an exclusive look at Aurami AI, the device bringing the entire nail salon straight to your home. Built with an intuitive touch interface and a contoured finger rest for rock-solid stability, this minimalist setup is totally countertop ready. But the real magic, it executes a full salon-grade manicure in a rapid 15-minute cycle, delivering 0.1 mm precision that easily surpasses human capability. Behind that flawless edge is cutting-edge tech. Real-time AI mapping scans the exact topography of your nail bed. The device paints precisely along your cuticle line, while micro-dosed UV light cures only the applied polish. That means zero unnecessary skin exposure to UV rays. Say goodbye to harsh chemical scraping and nail damage. Aurami keeps your nails healthy while offering complete flexibility to switch up your shade whenever your mood changes. Compared to traditional salons that take hours and lock you into a single color, Aurami gives you algorithmic precision on your own schedule. Ready to upgrade your vanity? While MSRP is set at $899, you can unlock an exclusive $500 Kickstarter discount and secure yours for just $399. Lock in this pre-launch price